watch this plane as it ingests a bird on the number 2 engine during takeoff. This seaplane was too heavy and didn't have enough of a takeoff roll to gain speed, leading to catastrophic results.
Holy crap!
This fighter jet got too close to the crowd on the final approach. An Airbus A380 loses the front engine cowl mid-Atlantic. Luckily, the aircraft was able to make a safe landing in Goose Bay, Canada. Watch the number 4 engine on this Polar Air cargo as it tries to land. The Asiana Airbus A380 didn't realize the Turkish Airlines wasn't fully on stand.
This plane parking wrong.
A Cessna 172 loses an engine and makes an emergency landing on the highway.
A very good landing.